Alright! Welcome back ulit sa aking YouTube channel na Romeo Oscar PH. At kung ikaw ay bago pa lamang po sa aking channel, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at click the notification bell upang ma-notify po kayo o ma-update sa aking mga bagong upload na video. Alright! Ngayong gabi ay ating simulan o magbigay ako ng kaunting tips. Kung anong content natin ngayong gabi ay yun nga ang pag-uusapan natin. Ang content is, ano ba ang tamang paggamit ng fire extinguisher? Kumbaga sa English is step for proper fire extinguisher use. Yan lamang po ang ating pag-uusapan. Alright, itong content natin ito ay kahit simpleng tao ay pwedeng gawin ito sa oras ng emergency. For example, may nasusunog dyan sa kapitbahay mo o ikay na mamalingke o nag-shopping. May nasusunog dyan sa isang tabi mo at may nakita kang isang fire extinguisher. Pwede mo itong gamitin. At kung ito ay napapanood mo itong video ito, maaaring magkaroon ka ng awareness para makapag-operate ng isang fire extinguisher at maiwasan ang pagsunog dyan sa inyong lugar. Alright? Umpisa na natin yung ating ginawang video para makikita nyo na. Hindi ko napabayan ng mga intro. Alright, let's go! Different classification of fire. Most household fires fall into one of the following categories. Class A. These fires are fueled by solid combustible like wood, paper, and cloth. Class B. These fires are fueled by flammable liquid such as oil, petroleum, and gasoline. Class C. These fires are started or fueled by faulty wiring, fuse boxes, and appliances. Class D. Combustible metal or combustible metal alloys. Class K. These fires are started or fueled by cooking oils and greases, animal fats, and vegetable fats. Step for proper fire extinguisher use. Once you understand the different types of fire extinguisher and their use, you need to be able to properly operate one. The best way to be ready for a fire emergency in your home is to study and step below and review them regularly so you can protect your home and family. Number 1. Identify a clear exit and escape route. Before operating the fire extinguisher, make sure you have a clear evacuation route. If you cannot put out the fire, you need to make a safe exit. Consider this when determining where to store your fire extinguisher, and make sure you have a multiple exit option nearby after you retrieve it. Number 2. Stand back. Face the fire and keep your back to the clear exit you earlier identified. You should stay between 6 and 8 feet away from the flames as you prepare to operate the fire extinguisher. Number 3. Discharge extinguisher. It can be difficult to think clearly during an emergency, so fire safety has long-standing acronym to help you recall the steps involved in operating your fire extinguisher. Just remember, PASS. PASS. Letter P. Pull the pin on the fire extinguisher. Letter A. Aim the nozzle on the hose low toward the base of the fire. Letter S. Switch the handle or lever to discharge the fire extinguisher. Letter S. Sweep the nozzle back and forth. Keep the fire extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire and move it from the side to side until the flames are extinguished. Okay, at maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video at naway nakatulong po tayo sa inyo. At huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like sa aking video at mag-comment dyan sa comment section para makita ko at makilala ko kung sino po yung ating natulungan. Okay, bago natin tapusin ang ating video ito, lagi nating nakagawian ang magpa-shoutout. Okay? Alright. Shoutout nga pala kaya AJTV. AJTV, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. At naway lumaki at dumago ang iyong channel. Alright, next. Shout out kay Juby Costinar, ang laging nagpapa-shoutout. Alright, yun lang ma'am po ang ating shoutout for today. Okay, kung ikaw ay gusto magpa-shoutout sa aking video, mag-comment ka dyan at ilagay mo shoutout idol. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood. Okay, kita-kits ulit sa aking next video. See you next vlog. Bye-bye.